magnificent shot. Cameron Akmal.
Another push drive, another four. It whistled away to the boundary in no time. Now this really is good batting from Shoaib Malik. That smash hard now. This is his business zone, Kamran.
There you go. Finally, we've got a boundary. Pakistan, the skipper, starts to throw a couple of punches.
Enzamam squares boundary.
50 for Shoaib Malik. His third of the series. Hat-trick of 50s. And he's emerged as a leading scorer for Pakistan. Smart player. Very, very good one-day player.
Whenever he's always come up good. Some of the batsmen.
Late swing from Sachin Tendulkar. He bowls at that irritating pace. Played it fine, Yunus Khan. He'll get a four, even though this outfield is not as quick as it was during the test match. Still that ball went away to the boundary very quickly.
That's four. That is four. That's a good delivery. No slip there.